Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using machine learning to build a predictive model for diabetes detection. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. So the first step is going to be to import the necessary libraries. We'll be using Scikit-Learn, Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib for data processing and visualization. Let's go ahead and import them. Alright, fantastic. Now let's load our dataset. For this project, we'll be using the diabetes dataset, which is available within the Scikit-Learn. It contains various features related to diabetes such as glucose level, blood pressure, body mass index, etc. So yeah, let's go ahead and load that after we install our libraries. Make sure that's good. Right. Right, let's run this, make sure it's good. Excellent. So now we have our dataset loaded into the data and target variables. The data variable contains the features, and the target variable contains the corresponding target values indicating diabetes progression. Now, let's split the data into training and testing sets. Right, perfect. Our dataset is split into training and testing sets. We can now proceed to build our predictive model. In this example, we'll use a random forest classifier, which is an ensemble algorithm. Let's go ahead and train the model now. Now let's make sure we didn't make any errors. All right, to make sure this is good. All right, so our model is now trained. Now let's make predictions on our test set and evaluate its accuracy. All right, and that's going to be it. We have successfully trained our diabetes detection model and obtained the accuracy score. Last thing, let's just go ahead and print it out. All right, doesn't look too accurate. Additionally, let's also visualize the confusion matrix to get a better understanding of the model's performance. Right, let's run this, make sure we don't have any errors. All right, and there we go. So we have, as you can see, it's not too accurate, um, but we have successfully built a diabetes detection model using Scikit-Learn's random forest classifier. The accuracy score gives us an overall measure of how our model performed, and obviously not well. Additionally, the confusion matrix helps us analyze the true positives, the true negatives, the false positives, and the false negatives. So that's going to be it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.